I'm Dr. Kristen Liesch, and welcome to this Q&A video where I'll be answering some common questions about the Certified Equity Sequence Trainer program. Whether you're working in telecom, healthcare, education, or nonprofit sectors, equitable innovation is critical to ensuring that the decisions we make create the greatest positive impact for everyone. That's exactly where the equity sequence comes in, providing a structured, scalable practice to enable equitable innovation. With thousands of people already using the equity sequence around the globe, this program will equip you to bring it to your organization or community as a certified trainer. Let's dive into the details and answer some of the top questions. Question 1. What makes the Certified Equity Sequence Trainer program different from other innovation or design training programs? Well, the Certified Equity Sequence Trainer program is unique because it focuses on equitable innovation, not just innovation for innovation's sake, but innovation that actively removes barriers, addresses unmet needs, and ensures the greatest positive impact for all stakeholders. If you're familiar with human-centered design or other innovation methodologies, you'll see that the equity sequence takes it a step further by embedding equity into every decision. So, whether you're driving customer innovation in telecom or developing healthcare programs, the equity sequence gives you a practical, proven method to ensure your work benefits everyone fairly and equitably. Question 2. What level of facilitation experience is required to join the program? Well, the great thing about this program is that it's open to everyone, regardless of your facilitation experience. You could be leading global strategy or designing educational tools. This program gives you everything you need to confidently teach the equity sequence to others. We'll walk you through how to facilitate sessions, engage participants, and personalize the training to your own context, whether it's corporate, nonprofit, or public sector work. Question 3. What's the time commitment like, and how flexible is the program? We know that you're busy, so the program is designed to be manageable and flexible. There are 10 live Zoom sessions, each about 90 minutes, plus a bit of self-directed work. You can probably expect to spend about 3 hours a week on the program. As long as you attend at least 7 of the 10 sessions, you'll be on track to get certified. Question 4. What are the main benefits of becoming a certified equity sequence trainer? Becoming a certified equity sequence trainer positions you as a leader in equitable innovation. You'll not only gain access to exclusive resources and a global community, but you'll also have the tools to lead transformative workshops in your own organization or field. For someone designing fintech solutions for the unbanked population or advocating for women's rights in healthcare, this certification empowers you to apply equity-focused innovation at a systems level, helping your organization or sector create truly inclusive solutions. Question 5, how is the practice training component structured and what kind of support will I get? Well, the practice training is where you put everything into action. You'll facilitate a live equity sequence workshop with your peers and receive real-time feedback. This is your chance to practice guiding participants through the methodology, applying it to real-world scenarios, and honing your facilitation style. After the workshop, you'll get feedback from both the Tidal Equality team and your cohort, which will help you refine your approach before leading the method in your own organization or sector. I hope this answers some of the key questions you might have about the Certified Equity Sequence Trainer program. Whether you're working in education, tech, healthcare, or beyond, this program is designed to help you lead with equity and innovation at the core. We're excited to have you join this global movement toward equitable innovation. If you have any other questions or if you're ready to apply, reach out to us anytime or check out the links below. We'd love to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the program.